Hi everyone, my name is Augusto Proano.
And I'm Andres Santos.
And this is Mixit3D. It's a 3D soundboard where you can mix all your songs and create your own songs. So we're gonna have a look at it.
Let's check it out.
Let's check it out.
Welcome to Mixit3D.
All right.
All right. So yeah,
Do you want to refresh again? Yeah, this morph is slow. It's not working. Do you want to open the local one?
Yeah.
Yeah, just in case. That's the replay.
Yeah.
What you're gonna see is just one app.
Welcome to Mixit3D.
Yeah, let's check it out first, and then we'll talk about it.
So we have this,
Satisfaction.
we have this kind of songs. If I like it, I can leave it.
Satisfaction.
We can go around the world as well.
So yeah, let's for example let's start with this. So you can add your instruments and create your music. You know. Yeah, so more or less that's our application. You can play with the sounds.
Satisfaction.
You can play with your sounds in 3D. That was the idea. What you're seeing there is just one app developed with JavaScript using this library called Three.js. We had the first problem when we were trying to render our instruments, and then because we had the problem with the HTTP server, we took the boilerplate that you can find in GitHub from Facebook. We solved the problem. We started rendering. We started with the battery, and then yep.
Yeah, so it was good because we were able to render all that amazing geometry, but at the same time we couldn't do anything with it. We couldn't attach any events to it. So what we found out and we ended up doing is using this library called threex.domevents that actually attach the events to the basic geometry the Three.js library provides. So actually when you're clicking the instrument, you're not clicking the OBJ object, the 3D object, you're clicking those primitives. And all those events are attached to those primitives. So the lights and the sounds and everything around the world.
Yeah, we faced the other problem trying to syncing the sounds. We decided to just play all the sounds from the beginning, and then on click they are just muting or unmuting the sounds during the when you're playing. And then we added as well the sound to the soundbar using the audio context. You put just a buffer and a audio analyzer, and it's gonna check the frequency and the time that you have during the sound.
Yeah, for texturing the world, we just use some GPJ images, and for example, for the Earth, you were seeing in the background, it's just a normal primitive sphere with a nerd, a GPJ that has an image of a nerd, and with a little rotation. And also, as you see with the instruments, we just use some crazy GPJ images to texture it. You know, we didn't have enough time to make a more complicated texture. And also, you also saw some particles flying around the world. We use a method in the Three.js library called sprite that allowed us to create those crazy particles and being able to change the color and the glow of it and make it explode everywhere in the scene. And
yep, we were trying to make it in the space, so yeah, that's our app. Thank you so much.
Thank you very